Hello, I'm Emna from Tunisia and I work as a testing consultant for Sogeti France.
And my name is Kramer. I come from the Netherlands and I work as a quality consultant for Orange Crest.
We hope you want to join our workshop at EuroSTAR, where we want to explore with you the skills that you need to do your testing in the 21st century. I'll start with the question, what kind of skills do you need to be future-proof? I can tell you already, but it won't be the technical skills that you need. To make a difference, you need to improve your soft skills.
We will tell you all about it in our workshop, 21st Century Skills for Testers. And besides exploring those skills, we will even go one step further. We want to discuss with you how can you apply those skills in your day-to-day work. In our workshop, we are going to work on tips on how we can prepare each other for the 21st century skills and the challenges of tomorrow. And after the workshop, you will be ready to make a difference when you're back home and working in your team. So I hope you will join us at EuroSTAR in Copenhagen. See you there.